In this lesson, you will learn how to project a sketch. Create a sketch and you will find Project, keyboard shortcut P in the Create drop-down menu in the contextual sketch environment. Project will bring geometry from other parts of your project onto your sketch plane. You can reference faces, edges, points, or bodies. Let's make a projection on this construction plane with specified entities as our selection filter. The highlighted line shows geometry that will be projected onto your construction plane. Delete your projected lines and project again, but with bodies as your selection filter. We can't select the sketch this time, but just hovering over any part of the body is enough to project the boundaries from the top surface onto our active construction plane. The specified entity selection filter has a broader application than a body selection filter since you can pick specific parts. You can project with or without a projection link. You create a relationship between your original sketch and your projection when you project with a link. Those projections are purple. Change the original sketch and your projection automatically updates. Make sure that you uncheck projection link if you want to project an independent sketch that doesn't update when you make changes to the underlying sketch used for the projection. Unlinked projections are blue. You will probably run into a few scenarios when you create a projection link but realize later that your projection link doesn't support your design intention. You don't want automatic updates on your projected sketch. Your linked projection is purple. Select your sketch, right-click and edit and right-click again on your selection and select Break Link. As you've seen, Project is both a time saver and quality driver. You can reuse and create accurate sketch geometry, and you can also save a lot of time when you make changes to your design. Good job following along. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.